Yeah, butterfly. Butterfly. I've never seen that. Kyoki na ihenya. Or manyara. I have never seen that. Yeah, I have never seen it. I have never. Yeah, it must be a creature. I've never seen that. I'm tired. Yeah? That's a good question. Huh? Wabere ndio fati kweyoria. Ciehuruta irauma ku. Yeah? Sign ya Ciehuruta ne kuga dry season. Riu were ni unyua mai. Do you drink water? Timono. Very nice. 70% of your body. Riu were tondu wi muraihu ri. 70% of your body ni maguru tu. No. I am telling you the reality. Not a creature. I've never seen that. 70% of your body is legs only. But for a normal person, a normal human being, 50% legs, 50% the body. Yeah? When you are makinyaga 70%.
Leg is part of the body.
I've never seen that. You are a creature. 70% is your body. Yeah? So the water is below the sea level. Haya maitho maku magikinyia hinya. Creature. I've never seen that.
Sea level ni ocean.
Sea level, sea. I've never seen it. Where ona nikio ta hetokire thukuru. Wira waku na guthindo ngethetie githaka. Ukirora athuri magitega Ciehuruta. Creature. I've never seen it. Read about botany and zoology. You get to understand. Mukoro ne murengeti creature.